Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Jabra Elite 85H headphones and you need to do a hard reset. You might want to do this hard reset for any number of reasons. If the headphones are not connecting to Bluetooth or to Wi-Fi, or you're having connection issues where they keep disconnecting, or even if they're connecting to the wrong device and you just want to delete all the devices so it doesn't connect to anything so that you can start fresh and make sure it's connected to the one you want. We can do a hard reset, which will make it forget all the devices and fix a lot of these issues, and it's very easy to do. All we need to do is to come in the middle here, there's this multifunction button. You can't really see it, but that's actually a button in there. And then this dot here is the volume up button. We just need to press and hold these two buttons for about 10 seconds until the indicator light on the bottom of the earphone turns purple. It'll go purple for a few seconds, and then the headphones will be reset. And then they can be paired with whatever you wanted to pair them with. And just one more thing, if you're looking for a new credit card, Chase is now offering $200 if you sign up for a credit card. I have put the information in the description.